Well, yeah, I'm just...
If you want to do it more for the fun and just enjoy the time with a little bit brushes and so on, then I can help you.
Oh, well, I'll give it some thought and I'll definitely contact you. Thank you.
She's impressed.
Yeah, it's so pretty though. Harold. Oh my gosh. Awesome, thank you.
See you then. What's your name?
Gigi.
Gigi.
Yes,
Okay.
Gigi.
So let me hear from you. And
I
then-
will, definitely. Thank you.
Okay.
Have
Enjoy
a
your
good...
afternoon.
Yes, you too.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. The what? Oh, look, she's selling like balls and she's got hats and all that kind of stuff. That's so cool, eh? Well, I took down her name. I mean, I've got her information and she apparently does art classes, so maybe that would be something fun for me to try. I mean, I haven't really, I've never really done anything like that.
Well, I don't know what it is. I guess it's a doggy thing.
Yeah. Well, that's what, I guess that's why Ash said, oh, wow, look at that one. Wow, that one's really nice too.
You missed.
Oh, sorry, Oh, the Ellies. That is pretty, hey? Maybe later, Lars. I like this one, Rick. Don't you love the light on this one? Look at the, like he's captured the light peeking through the clouds. Oh, so pretty. Well, let's go see what these dogs are doing.
I don't know if it's still around. There's coffee and friends. What is a coffee thing?
Yeah, we can grab a coffee here. Chad, you want a coffee?
Go, girl, go! I don't know what you're
I don't know, I don't want to walk like...
They don't walk in front of it.
Coffee and friends make the perfect blend.
There you go, get a coffee.
What would you like, Rick? Hello. Can I get an iced coffee? I don't know what you want yet.
I'll get an iced coffee too.
2 iced coffees, yeah. Have you still got money? Get an espresso. Oh no. It's a bit warm, so I'm thinking let's have an iced coffee. Look guys, there's doggos. If you need more, I've got more.
You want some sugar with it? I put syrup in because you can't stir it with the ice.
Okay, that's fine.
A little bit of...
Are you putting syrup with it as well or no?
Oh, if you want it sweet, I'll put syrup with it.
Oh, okay. Do you want syrup? You want
I'll
syrup?
have it sweet, yeah.
No, I don't want it sweet. I'm good. Thank you. Gonna make a tea in my small ass. Oh, did you? Oh, what? Where are the dogs? I don't see them. 2-9. Oh, did you? Sorry, I haven't been on Discord yet, so.
Because we all love the mistakes that they make.
No worries. Go on. Where are the doggies? I don't see them. I only see people. Wow.
Walking the course, I guess.
Oh, they're learning the course. Go on, Rick. Run around the course.
Look at their hands up. They're visualizing it.
A puppetagility course. I'll have a look when I get home. Thank you, though, for posting it. I appreciate that. Oh my gosh, we should have brought Homie Rick just for the fun of it. He would have just like been like, no, I don't want to do this. This is stupid. And then I get bored. Oh wait, there's a dog. There's a dog over there. Oh, never mind. Oh, it's a border collie.
Go, girl, go.
Thanks guys for all the follows. I appreciate that. Thank you. You guys are awesome. I guess these what are the green and white poles called? Green and white poles?
I hope this is the sweet one.
I actually have no idea. Should I know?
And I thought I would keep them apart. I'm sorry.
It's okay, we'll find out very quickly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Two cappuccinos.
And solo love.
The one on the right, yeah. Yeah. Are these iced coffees?
Yeah.
Shit, that looks nice. Two of those. Yeah, please, thank you.
It's a nice hot day, why not?
Yeah, they're lovely, yeah.
They're the same amount of
Thank you.
was all wrong.
I got it. I got my coffee. Cheers, Pop. Cheers, chat. Whoever wanted coffee. Hi, Surly. Should we like sit and wait or?
I think we all get all dull soon. Unless you want to sit and drink. I don't know, you do what you want. But they're all just walking around. These humans are lost.
I keep falling over today. I don't know why. Like I'm really uneven on my feet. Are you okay? You gonna manage?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I guess we'll just carry on then. Should we walk across? I don't know.
I guess walk that way. Walk that way.
Well, the show's not on yet, so let's go. So the poles are called weave poles. Weave poles. The dogs weave in and out of them. I know that red thing is a tunnel. I mean the yellow.
Confused humans.
Yeah, the humans are just walking through there. Is this what your dog did, Ash? Did your dog come and do the
This dog came and judged from the sidelines.
agility course? Yeah, Ash has got some award-winning dogs, you guys, in case you didn't know. His dogs have won many awards and medals. They are incredibly intelligent. The little dog's like, give me all the treats, human.
Yeah, I don't really like
I don't see any dogs, I only see humans. How's your coffee?
Sweet. Hot.
My coffee isn't very strong.
No.
It's a very weak coffee,
Oh
actually.
no, I did see her put a whole top thing in here. I don't know.
I know, I did too, but I don't know where it went. It's fine. It doesn't taste bad. So, I definitely didn't need sugar. We didn't invite Slim VD Games. Mine did that yesterday. The puppy was in the breed ring today. Oh, cool.
Wow. Ain't that stereotypical, huh?
Tap it with your finger in the middle.
No, just take that.
Oh.
It's the white girl. She's happy with her one big black Coke. And the not white girl has to have 5 big black Cokes. To please her.
And there's one big black Coke for me. The biggest black Coke you've ever seen. Wow, you made quick work of that.
It is fluid.
Hey Rondu, how are you? It's been a while. Why didn't we invite Slim? Because she probably wouldn't have come, so why bother?
I don't think it's the Slim stuff.
First of all, Slim likes it when we go to her, I've noticed. If we don't go to her, then we don't see her.